Hello everyone. Today, we have a simple C program that converts length from inches to centimeters using a defined constant. Let's break down the code. We start with including the necessary header file stio.h, and we define a constant inches TOCM with a value of 2.54 for our conversion factor. Now, we're in the main function, which is the entry point of our program. It returns an integer value and takes no arguments. We declare two float variables, inches and centimeters, to store our length values for conversion. We prompt the user to enter a length in inches using printf, and then we use scanf to read and store the input in the inches variable. Next, we perform the conversion by multiplying the length in inches by our defined constant inches 2cm, and store the result in the centimeters variable. Finally, we use printf to display the converted length in centimeters, formatted to 2 decimal places. We also include the original length in inches for reference. We don't need getch in this case, as the program will automatically pause before exiting when run from most development environments. Let's run the program and see how it converts inches to centimeters.